Here's how to convert any iPhone video to audio file in seconds. For this, open the Shortcuts app on your device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top right. Tap on the drop-down arrow next to the new shortcut. And then select Rename. Rename the shortcut to Video to Audio or something similar. Here, tap the check mark. After that, tap on Search Actions. Add any random action like Send Message. After adding it, tap the X to delete it. Now swipe down the bottom menu and tap on the I button at the bottom. Here, turn on Show and Share Sheet option and tap the check mark. Next, tap where it says Apps and More, and then select Clear to deselect all the options. Now select only Media from the options and tap the check mark. Once again, tap on Search Actions and search for Encode Media and tap on it. Then tap on the small drop-down arrow next to Shortcut Input and enable the Audio Only option. Tap on Search Actions. Search for Save File and open it. Now your shortcut setup is complete. Exit the Shortcuts app and open the Photos app. Browse through the gallery and open the video that you want to convert. Tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner. If you scroll down through the sharing options, you'll see the video to audio shortcut you just created. Tap on it. Now pick a location for the file to save and then tap on Open. After conversion, exit the Photos app and open the Files app. Tap on the Downloads folder. Your extracted audio file will be there. And that's it.